Today, my dear viewers, I'm gonna give you a lot information about something called castor oil. You will learn what type of castor oil they are, what are the health benefits, especially for the skin, and much more. Castor oil is non-volatile fatty oil that is obtained from the seeds of the castor bean plant Ricinus communis, also known as the castor seed. The castor oil plant belongs to the family of flowering plant called Europhaceae and mainly cultivated in Africa, South America and India. It is very dense with color that varies from the clear to amber or slightly green. It is used topically on the skin and taken by mouth. It has mild smell and taste. Studies suggest that many of the benefits of castor oil come down from the chemical's composition. It is classified as a type of triglyceride fatty acid, and almost 90% of its fatty acid content is specific and a rare compound called linoleic acid. And this castor oil had many health benefits, but for today's show I'm gonna begin with types of the castor oil that we know right now. Of course, castor oil can be used in several ways: orally, taken by mouth, applied topically on the skin, applied on the hair, or massage in the skin in the form of castor oil pack. Here are some of the most common types of castor oils you may find in the store. Cold pressed castor oil. This type is produced by cold pressing the castor bean seeds to extract their natural oil content. This results in high-quality product that is recommended for internal use. You may also want to check that oil is pesticide-free, paraben-free, and free of artificial color or fragrances. Second is yellow castor oil. This type is made from the castor bean, usually through pressing with no heat involved. Although some manufacturers use chemicals in their processing. Generally speaking, the lighter color of the oil is, the purer the product is. And third is going to be Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is developed by first roasting the castor beans, which results in dark color and burnt smell. This is a method that is traditionally used in Jamaica. Ash found in this type of results in higher pH, product that is believed to have more clarifying properties that may help open the pores. And you will not believe it, when you use the castor oil, especially orally, it is unbelievably important as a laxative product. That means it's going to help your digestion, especially if you have bloating, constipation and similar kind of problems. It is my first recommendation how you can use castor oil. My second recommendation is going to be moisturize skin. Castor oil is completely natural and free of synthetic chemicals, as long as you use pure 100% pure oil, of course. Yet it's rich in skin-boosting ingredients like fatty acid. In particular, its main moisturized fatty acid, linoleic acid, which possesses moisturizing properties. Apply this oil on the dry and irritated skin can help to discourage dryness and keep it well moisturized, since it prevents water loss. It can be also combined with carrier oils to avoid any potential allergenic reaction. Regardless, it's a good idea to do a small patch skin test first. Of course, if you first time using castor oil, this patch test is going to be just using your this kind of oil on your skin and leave it for a couple hours. And if everything is okay, you can use it on your skin. But if you feel any kind of tingling sensation, maybe redness and some kind of similar sensations, you must avoid castor oil. Later in the show, I'm going to give you a recipe how you can use castor oil on your skin like natural Botox. And third recommendation is going to be may boost wound healing. Studies indicate that castor oil can boost wound and pressure ulcer healing thanks to its moisturizing as well antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. In particular, its main compound linoleic acid appears to help lower skin inflammation and support skin healing. Fourth is going to be help induce labor. While not approved by FDA and considered off-label use, castor oil may help induce labor in some women. For centuries, pregnant woman at full term has taken it orally to help speed up uterus contraction. And one unbelievable effect of the using of castor oil is going to be especially for your joints. If you have any kind of arthritis, if you have pain, swelling, inflammation in your knee, in your hip, maybe you have some kind of similar symptoms in your other joints, castor oil may help you. Risk and the side effects. Reports show that oil can be safely taken internally. When swallowed, it hydrolyzes in the small intestine by pancreatic enzymes, leading to the release of glycerol and renochelic acid along with other beneficial metabolites. Castor oil is classified by Food and Drug Administration as generally recognized as safe for both topical and internal use. However, drinking castor oil may still potentially cause the side effects. Side effects can include abdominal cramping, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, especially when used in large amounts. And now I'm going to recommend you a couple of very important information, especially how you can use this oil for your skin, and also how you can use this oil as a hair growth natural remedies. How can castor oil be used for the skin? Wash your face first in the warm water to open up the pores and then massage some of the oil into your face and leave it overnight, rinsing the next morning. If leaving the oil on your face overnight causes greasiness, reduce the amount of the time until you rinse it off. You can also mix 1/4 cup of castor oil and 3/4 cup of virgin coconut oil. Then apply to your body and the face. For oily skin, you may choose jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, or olive oil instead. This means this is unbelievably, you can use castor oil as it is, only it must be 100% organic pure castor oil, but for more benefits you can mix it with other healthy oils. It's going to be great for your skin. And also, does castor oil work for the hair growth? Castor oil is popular natural remedy for hair growth and overall hair health. Its moisturizing qualities can help hydrate the hair shaft and stimulously increase hair flexibility while lowering hair breakage. It can be moisturizer as stated above and may improve hair textures. To use, massage several tablespoons slightly warm up oil in your hair and the scalp. You can try making a homemade hair mask with massaging oil into your roots and spreading it all over your hair. Try to up your head and cover it with a cap. Then leave the oil overnight before washing it. This is unbelievably important. So this is my recommendation for today's video. This is a couple information about castor oil. If you have any kind of course, information, many other health benefits about castor oil, please comment below the video. For next information, I want to recommend you watch my video right here. It's going to help you a lot also with the skin kind of problems. Natural safe remedy only on Mario Lab Health channel.